Quran chapter 2, verse 196b, lesson 242. Title is Some Commandments of Pilgrimage. Suratul Baqarah, the cow. I seek refuge in God from Satan the outcast. In the name of God, the beneficent, the merciful. Verse 196. And perform the visit Umrah for Allah. And if ye are prevented, then send such offering as can be obtained with ease. Commentary. Al-Umrata. Umrah. It is called as a little pilgrimage also. The instructions for performing Umrah are just like the actual pilgrimage which is performed yearly Hajj. However, there is no restriction of duration of pilgrimage for performing Umrah. It can be performed anytime. Secondly, its rituals and traditions are less than the yearly Hajj pilgrimage too. Lillah, for Allah, for God Almighty. Perform the pilgrimage, Hajj and Umrah visit for the sake of Allah Almighty. Keep your intention pure and take care honestly for those customs and orders which have been prescribed by God Almighty. Be saved from the matters which are prohibited, otherwise the sake of God will remain no more. In fact, the entire deeds and intentions should be for the pleasure of Allah Almighty, but it has been emphasized here particularly that the journey involved with the pilgrimage and the visit, Hajj and Umrah, in which a lot of good and bad objects, cruises and entertainment can join easily, so it is necessary that your first object should not be any other except to please God Almighty. The travel and entertainment will be automatically. The trade and business is permitted. You can reap advantage of it, but you can neither make the trade a purpose of pilgrimage, Hajj, and nor can deal with dishonestly and theft. These are not allowed. O Sertum, if you are prevented, this word has been derived from a sar, literal meanings of which are to be surrounded or encaged. Whether this surrounding would be due to any reason, here it means the individual who intends to perform the pilgrimage but cannot reach the destination because of either any illness or enemy would have blocked his way, or any seasonal or other stoppage would have intervened. Hadi, sacrifice. The literal meanings are the offering which would be sent for Baitullah. Here its aim is the animals which are required to be sacrificed during the pilgrimage Hajj. In this verse, Allah Almighty has commanded to the Muslims that there should be only one object to be intended, i.e. the worship by means of the pilgrimage and visit, Hajj and Umrah. That is for pleasure and consent of Allah Almighty. Neither any kind of play nor show and pomp should be the intention from this journey, nor travel and entertainment, but the rules which Allah Almighty has explained, those should be acted upon. Allah Almighty has kept some exemption too in this order for the excusable people. Maybe that an individual wears a haram, makes a go of pilgrimage for Hajj and Umrah, but unfortunately he would either suffer from sickness in the way or happens any other difficulty or problem. For example, either the either he does not find the way or does not have sufficient provision for his journey, etc. In all these situations, he has been commanded that he should send the animal to sacrifice to the Baitullah through anyone else according to his submission. Sadaqallahu Mawlana al-Azim wa sadaqa Rasuluhu Nabiyyu Kareem.